Shako Mako, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do unboxing to Godox MoveLink M2. So I've recently started using the HoloLens Lark M1, it's a great mic, has a charging case and all, noise cancellation, been doing great, but it's missing some feature that I need. And this one, the MoveLink M2, have them, but it's also missing some other feature. Let's open the box, see what's come in it, test it, and see which one worth keeping. So first thing you notice that it's not sealed, so it doesn't come with a plastic cover. Open it up, you got the case, way bigger than the HoloLens. Got a manual to that cat. Wow, that's a big one. Okay, box with the accessories. Let's see what comes in it. Okay, so two cables, one red, one black. Same thing, different use. We'll talk about them. Comes with the 3 Type-C cables, and I'm gonna tell you why 3 of those. Comes with 2 lavalier mics. That's one of the features that I like. Comes with this strap that gets connected to the box, and these magnetics, which we'll talk about them. So basically what those do, you put them under the shirt and the mic is magnetic, so you connect it to the shirt without the need to clip it. Let's talk cables before we open the box. Why there is 2 cables? Because they're 2 different cables. This one have 2 black lines. That's for the camera. Over here, they have a red one, which I would have preferred if this one was the one for the camera. It's very cool. This one, as you can see, one of them have 2 lines, one of them have 3 black lines. The 3 black lines, it's what get connected to the phone. If you connect any other one, you will not get audio. I like the color. 3 Type-C because the case does not charge unless it's plugged in. You'll have to either put them in the case and charge them. Doesn't have battery, so it's not gonna charge by itself, or you can charge each individual by itself. That's why there's 3 Type-C cables. The lavalier mic, there's 2 of them because the transmitter has a mic out. So I can have this one connected and the mic hitting, and I don't have to clip the mic over here. So that's one very cool feature. One of the reason why I got it. Same thing, this one, let's open it. Okay. Once you disconnect them, it doesn't turn on like the HoloLens. You'll have to actually turn them on. Very simple. So this is the receiver. It comes with power button, volume up and down, and on the other side, it have Type-C and a pairing. And what's cool about it, you have 2 3.5 jacks. One of them is for a headphone, so you can actually listen to the sound while you're recording and see how it sounds. And the other one, of course, to get connected to the camera. That's one of the features that I got it for. I can actually listen to it. This one goes mono and stereo. I can choose between them. This is the transmitter. So on this side, you have the power and the mute. On the other side, you have the pair and the Type-C charging. And on top, you have the mic, and you have the 3.5 jack out, which you connect to a mic lavalier to it. And this way, I can have this one hitting and only this attached to my vest, which is pretty cool. But in comparison with the HoloLens, it's way bigger. It's like twice the size. We'll have to turn them on, see how they do. They have a screen, indicate how much battery, even shows like how much volume it's receiving, so how loud you are. Pretty cool, very impressive. You have B and A, it's connected automatically, and if I want, I can increase the volume. From the receiver and actually see what's the level of the volume. Right now I have the Holy Land Lark M1 connected, and after the click, gonna connect the Godox MoveLink M2. Okay, and now we're connected to Godox MoveLink M2. Let's see how the sound sounds. So I just unboxed them. I don't know how they sound. We're gonna test them together and see if we're gonna like them. And of course, we're gonna do the fan test as well, just to be fair. And let me try the noise cancellation. So I actually have the fan on, but not at full speed because I was already using the Holy Land, so I didn't need to turn them off. My computer is on as well, so you're probably hearing the noise of it. Let's try the noise cancellation. Okay. So now the logo shows, but hopefully it sounds better. Another test that we need to do is connect the lavalier mic to it. See if that's going to actually make any difference. Actually, I don't need to. So now I'm talking to the mic. Just connect it over here. Lavalier mic. So let's see if that's going to make any difference. And the noise cancellation is on. So let's turn it off and see what's the difference. Okay, now it's off. There's probably a difference in the sound. Let's go do the fan test and see how it sounds. Fan at full speed and same position that I was when I was doing the Holy Land Lark M1. So should be fair test. Let me turn on the noise cancellation. Okay, noise cancellation is on. One more thing that we can do is connect this mic to it. See if that's gonna make any difference. Noise cancellation is still on. Want to see how it sounds before I turn it off. Okay, and now it's off and the lavalier mic is connected. So tell me how it sounds. One more test. Dead cat. So let's grab one of those dead cats and try to connect them to it. Those are huge. That's really big. Now the dead cat is connected. That's a really big profile. Like it's a huge, to be honest. Not that comfortable. But let's see the test, how it sounds. Noise cancellation is on, so let's turn it off for a little bit. Let's see how it sounds without the noise cancellation and the dead cat on. Still under the fan, full speed. So it's a fair test. Turn it back on. Man, Sony a7R5 with a 1424 2.8 Sigma. That's a heavy vlogging kit, or maybe it's a good workout. So if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Maybe next video will be a tour to the office. Show you some cool stuff. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.